Hey guys, this is Nitu here and welcome back to my channel. So, have you watched my previous videos? If yes, did you understand something about what GIS is and how GIS softwares work? If not, then don't worry because many of my friends are not basically from GIS backgrounds. But when I used to share my previous videos to them, they used get very difficult to understand what it is or what am I trying to say. So, I took a step to make a video on what GIS is or how GIS works and where it works. Therefore, in today's video I will show you all what GIS is. So let's get started.
What is GIS? GIS stands for Geographic Information System. Many people identify GIS as Geographical Information System, but it is absolutely wrong. The correct one is Geographic Information System. In GIS, geographic indicates us locations on our Earth's surface. It is also be said as spatial data, which is reference with location and in geography. It can be any location or any position present in our Earth. GIS also gathers information from the location, or it can be called as space or spatial information. System indicates computer-based environment or the technology uses which to analyze the information taken from locations. In GIS, it is not necessary that only a geography student or a geographer can study on GIS. Nowadays, GIS are taken by many disciplines as a part of their disciplines, including our geography. Some disciplines like geology, civil engineers, planners, anthropology, environmental science, aeronautical science, and so on. We all use GIS every day on our daily life, but how, where we are using this may be not known to everyone. Now, it will be cleared if we look the video more in details. The work in GIS all began in the late 1950s. In that era, it brought a light about using computer technology for making maps instead of tracing them in a sheet of paper with inks. The actual work in GIS with computer technology came only in 1970s as a GIS software from the lab of Esri. In the 21st century, the geography world formed the digital age. Before forming the digital age, the maps were drawn in a sheet of paper with ink with their own hands. Now the digital era came into hand, which is called as GIS. With the help of GIS, maps are drawn so easily with the help of GIS softwares with less time period. I'll be showing you some definitions of GIS by Peter Burrow in 1986, Jeffrey Starr and Jack States in 1990, and Grimshaw in 1994. And Peter Burrow, also known as the father of GIS. These all definitions of GIS simply mean the same meaning, that GIS at first captures the data. It captures the data through satellites, or we can give an example as the Google Map or the Google Earth, where we use in our mobile phones to get some locations that after capturing the data, GIS checks the data whether it is capable condition or not for using it. After that, it also retrieves it. Retrieves mean when something is kept properly in a place, then we can also take it out the thing and again use it. It also integrates. That means the GIS combines multiple sets of data from different sources. After integrates, it manipulates the data. That also means GIS combines the multiple sets of data and also it controls each and every data that is important. It analyzes the data that gives an output or the answers done by the works in a procedure. After analyzing, it displays us or provides us in the form of spatial data, or we can call as locations. It can be whether a road shows in a line shape, shops in points, or a large area showing in polygon shape. In easy language, it displays us or provides us maps for different applications. GIS combines the world in multiple layers. How it combines? From the real world or the physical earth, it collects the information, or it takes a snap just like a camera by using the procedures as I have explained right now, from capturing data to displaying it. At last, GIS gives the Earth's view only by showing in polygons, lines and points, as it can be seen in the picture shown in the screen. GIS are comprised of 4 elements. At first, the hardware components, as GIS is a computer-based work. It needs hardware components like a computer or laptop. In a computer system, the hardware components includes CPU, keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, digital camera, etc. The next one is the software components. After having a computer system, we need a software or a GIS software to work on it, because a GIS work can only be done in a GIS software. The GIS softwares are like ArcGIS, Quantum GIS or QGIS, GRASS, ILVIS, and so on. Some are paid softwares and some are free softwares. The next element is data. Data can be a satellite map or simple location map. Data are the information where the information are collected and then it is processed in an GIS software for many applications or many purposes. Lastly, people. People are the users of those GIS softwares who use the software and work on it. Without users, the elements of GIS will never be completed. The areas where GIS applications are used are in planning purposes. Planning such as urban planning, transportation planning, and so on. Examples like GIS helps a planner to plan a good and better location to make a city, a better transport, etc. etc. It helps the planners how they can set the things or buildings or a mall or a transport accordingly. Next application is street network based. GIS helps easily to find an address, a shop or a mall or a street or an hospital, any location we need to find out in the entire world. Vehicle routing and scheduling. Here, GIS helps our cars or any vehicles to direct to the right place or the right route where we want to go. Again, it also helps in site selection. The next application is natural resource based. Here, GIS helps for management of rivers, agricultural lands, forest, wildlife, etc. The flow of water of a river, in which direction it is flowing, is seen through GIS, and if some deficiency occurs, it is shown on the map and it can be managed. Same as other nature resource based, like forest fires or agriculture-based issues, pollution, etc. can be seen in a map, and after that it can be managed or helps us to get a better world. The last one is facilities management. Here GIS helps to locate underground pipes, cables, electric poles, etc. It also helps in balancing loads in electrical networks, and the application use goes on in this way.
Now, have you got some idea about GIS? And if you have got some idea about GIS, know me in my comment section below, and give a thumbs up if you have liked my video, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it, and hit the bell icon and share it with your friends. That's all for today, and in the next video I will show you all what is remote sensing. And till then, take care, bye bye.